Hello, welcome back to my channel. Halloween background, ayy. So today I'm doing something kind of exciting to me, I think it is anyway. So I'm going to combine my zombie skills with my skill of face paint. Combine them to make a zombie clown zombie. But I do have things here, so I have like a bag of fake teeth, which I had to put in a food bag because I couldn't see properly. I have liquid latex, I have fake blood, I have face paints, I have eyeshadow. Most importantly, I have tissues. Don't forget your tissues. As always, gonna get the headband in and start. And I do have one contact in at the minute because I'm gonna do a bright colour and a blind. So I'm just gonna put that one in at the end, and I already have this one in. Let's start with the teeth, but essentially I have a bit of tissue here, so I'll probably start by putting this on my bottom lip. Essentially you cannot put spirit gum on your lips. You can put liquid latex on lips, but you cannot put spirit gum, so do not put it straight on your lips. I'm going to be putting liquid latex and tissue across my bottom lip, maybe my top one as well. Last time I didn't and it was alright. So I'm going to start with that, just to cover up my lip, because I don't want to have a trip to the hospital. Not today anyway. So I have the mirror and liquid latex here, so I'm literally going to take, I have a sponge, which you can literally buy a bag of these from the pound shop, and then you can dispose them after. So I'm going to put a thin layer of liquid latex over my lip. I did pull the tissue into each layer, and I'm just going to put all 3 layers across my lip. So yes, it does look dodgy, but this is like the only way of actually doing it that I have found. I mean, if you find a different way of covering your lips that doesn't make it feel so awkward, then good for you. So for the teeth, I'm going to be using the Snazaroo Special Effects Spirit Gum. Mine's nearly empty, so I need to get a new one. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my teeth. I think I'm going to start with the top one just so this can dry a little bit. So what I'm going to do is, this is like the front of my tooth. I'm going to turn it around, and it has like little edges. I'm going to cover the edges with the spirit gum, if I can open it, and stick it to my upper lip. This is going to take a while. This literally took me like maybe half an hour to stick the teeth down this time, so be patient. Right, I cannot really speak because they're still not dry, but I am going to glue down my eyebrows into the shape they are. So I have a Frit stick and an old eyebrow pencil as a spoolie. So my next job is to rough up some tissue to create bands to go over my nose and on my chin, so that it can be ripped. Well, it'll look like it's been ripped up, and that's why you can see my teeth, my fake teeth, to see my real ones behind. These are already falling off, so I'm going to be very careful how much I talk. not quite dry. Now you want to wait for it to be fully dry. Or if you're like me, don't. So I'm going to start peeling it back. Now I've got to be careful I don't pull out my nose stud, because that would not be good. So I've got my eyebrow scissors and I'm just going to take it up here if it'll cut. Right, you also want to be dead careful you don't pull off your rotten tooth. Okay, we're gonna paint now. So I have my Snazzy white face paint. And I've got a big brush. I'm gonna do my whole face white. I'm gonna try not to get it in my hair because I have just washed my hair. So I'm sorry if there's like a line around here. Right, so I think now I'm going to do my eyebrows. So I have the Jeffree Star Vanilla lipstick here, and this is an Abuse. I want to make my eyebrows blue. That's what I want to do. What I also want to do is I don't want to leave the eyes blank, so I have this eyeshadow paint, which I'm honestly just going to squeeze it on my hand and like take it across my eyelid, as if this is like kind of gone badly. I'm going to take the Morphe 35V, I believe, yep. And I'm going to take this blue here, like the bright blue, and go over my eyes a little bit, just to give it more of a bright colour. Yes, this is a zombie apocalypse, but I'm still going to be out there rocking my eyeshadow. And yes, it is messy, it's kind of meant to be messy. And now for the fun bit. I'm going to start by taking red inside here. And I have this kind of large brush. My red paint kind of has brown in it from last time I used it, which I'm honestly not bothered about because I would be adding brown anyway. Now I'm going to use brown face paint. My camera is dying, I may have to move on to my phone. That's going to be bad. Now I'm going to take a smaller brush with black face paint and get right in the edges to make a shadow. So now I have the Marin Coagulated, I don't know how to pronounce it, blood gel. I also have the Revolution highlighter in Blood of My Enemies, and I have liquid blood, which I don't even know where it's from. And I'm just going to add loads of blood everywhere. I do also have a sponge to apply with for some of it, so let's get adding blood. So on my phone now, blood, yes. I think, oh no, I don't, sorry. I'm gonna take a nice blob of this. I'm gonna get it down my neck. This is gonna be really hard to get it off, so you guys better enjoy this video because my face is gonna be stained for about a week, and I go on holiday in literally a week today. So liquid blood, I'm gonna have it dripping down my neck, and it doesn't matter if I wear this t-shirt because it's black anyway. I feel like I need mascara. I'm sorry, I keep adding things just because I'm like, this is missing. Like, not a lot, just a bit, because my eyelashes are white and blue. Right, I hope you enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoyed like creating this. Like, honestly, it took me like over 2 hours, and I honestly don't care. It looks good. So I'm gonna go take loads of photos for Instagram, and yeah, if you don't follow my Instagram, follow it. I don't know why I found it there. I mean, it's in the description, or there's my username. But yeah, do give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see. Subscribe. Also turn on the bell button so you don't miss a video. And I'll see you next week for another video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.